There was a king who held the royal priest of his realm in the utmost regard. Whenever a priest entered, he would rise from his throne to greet him. "Sir, I have a question," king questioned him one day. "Please reply yes, king, you may ask." When asked whether a person's knowledge or behavior is superior, the king answered, "Sir, please tell me. Some text goes here. Give me a few days, king, and I'll respond to your query." The royal priest took several gold pieces from the king's treasury the following day and stored them in his purse. Given the status of the royal priest, the treasurer observed everything but kept quiet. For a few days, the royal priest continued to act in this way. He would visit, choose some gold coins, put them in his bag, and leave. When it began to occur daily, the treasurer observed everything and went to the king to tell him the entire tale. The monarch did not go to meet the priest when he arrived at the palace the following day or get up from his throne. The royal priest realized that the king had been informed about the theft of old money from the treasury. King shouted, "Have you taken gold coins from the treasury?" to the priest. "Yes, priest, it is true." "Does it suit you to stay this way?" Priest grinned and uttered, "King, I snatched the gold coins on purpose. I wanted to demonstrate to you if a person's conduct or knowledge is more important. When you learned that I had taken gold coins without your permission, you did not rise from your throne as you usually do in a respectful manner. Instead, you became enraged and shouted at me. My knowledge was with me before I lifted the gold coins, and it is with me even now that I have stolen gold coins, but as soon as you learned of my theft, you lost respect for me. Previously, you respected me because of my behavior, however, as soon as my behavior changed, your respect for me." The king recognized the significance, put down his phone, bowed to the priest, and showed him the respect he deserved. If we look at our own lives, we will see that everyone wants to be respected in their workplace, home, and community. However, we often overlook the fact that in order to be respected, we must first exhibit good conduct because respect is earned. If we follow these guidelines, we can earn the respect of others. Being of good conduct entails acting in a manner that is polite, considerate, disciplined, and kind. Some people behave properly and speak politely just when they are in front of other people, but when they are alone, they behave badly and speak unkindly. The true good deeds remain the same in front and behind. Good deeds should not only come from the outside but also from the inside, since what we are on the inside will eventually show on the outside. Good manners are also very important to have in order to live a happy, disciplined, and quiet life. When speaking to others, some people act appropriately and use polite language, yet when they are alone, they act inappropriately and use rude language. Since what we are on the inside will eventually show on the exterior, the true good acts remain the same both in front and behind. Good deeds should not only come from the outside but also from the inside. To live a happy, orderly, and peaceful existence, it is also crucial to have decent manners.